What's up, YouTube? What's up, Sauce Gang? It's your boy, Sauce Boss, back in the building again, and you guessed it, with another dope project. Yeah, we love projects around here. So, man, today project, hey, hold on for 1 second. Are you subscribed to the channel? Did you hit that post notification bell? And if you're not, subscribe to that channel and turn on that post notification bell for all the latest and greatest things I am doing on this channel. You want to stay connected and in tune what I'm doing on this channel, because I'm giving you all the drip for the free ski. You feel me? All the drip for the free ski. You know what I'm saying? I'm not giving to you for free ski, but I'm letting you know all the knowledge for the free ski. Just clarifying that right now. Okay? So today, we are creating to a new different shoe. And if you ain't seen the old video, check that one out. It's right up there in the corner, right there. Hit that, but don't hit it right now. Let this whole video play out, then go back, and then hit it. Because you don't want to miss what I'm about to do today. Not at all. Don't deprive yourself. Treat yourself to this video. You know? Give yourself a little pleasure in this lifetime, okay? But legendary sneaker, another legendary sneaker right here. You know what I'm saying? The Dior ones, right? The Dior ones is a legendary sneaker, as you can see. And what we gonna do today, we gonna create to this legendary sneaker. You like, what can I do to make this even greater? Just wait and see what I'm about to do to make this even greater. You know what I'm saying? Do you see this sneaker? Do you see it? Man, I'm finna blow the top off this boy for real. This finna be some King Kong Godzilla type creation right here, man. Right here. So what we gonna need to do is get over to the table of greatness so I can show you all the materials I'm about to use. Oh, I didn't even let you know. This gonna be a short set. Yes. Just see what I'm about to do, because I don't know what I'm about to do until I do it. I found out when you found out. We found out together. So, like I said, let's get over to the table of greatness and create some greatness. Let's go. So, everything that we're going to use today and some of the things I'm thinking about using. So, we got this navy blue zipper. That looked pretty good. Should I go with the black zipper? That looked pretty good. I have to cut that down a little bit if I do use it, because it might be a little too long. So, I got a drawstring that I'm going to put in the pants. I got gray rib knit fabric. I got blue rib knit fabric. You know, I got my lining piece, which is a blue. Then I got this dope beach towel that I'm gonna cut up, and we gonna use that on the fabric as well. So I'm gonna cut that up and do something crazy with that, and I incorporate that. You know, and then I got my Dior fabric to match with the shoes. You know what I'm saying? So we could just be like, boom, boom, right on the money, right on the money. And on the towel, it got the Dior shoes as well. So, you know what I'm saying, that's going to be crazy. So let's go. we want to take the 2 inner liner pieces and we want to actually cut this because we're going to actually install another piece instead of just straight blue. So when you open the jacket, you will actually see the Dior fabric on the inside of the jacket. And how we do that is we'll take this piece and lay it down, matching the pattern piece. And then we'll do the same for this side. And then we'll just cut it out, then reattachment, just like this. So as you can see, the new insert is all pieced together and everything is sewn together. As you can see, boom, ironed it down. And that's what they're looking like right there. So we're gonna move this over here until we come back to it. So the whole project is done. It is time for the finale. Drum roll, please. Okay, no drum roll. But anyway, man, it is stupid crazy. I ain't gonna say no more. Y'all been waiting for this. And if y'all still sticking around and y'all liking this kind of content, make sure you like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about all the amazingness that's going on this channel. But right now, let's just go and get over to it so I can show y'all. I need to use this a lot more.
Run like I don't got in the state. Yeah. Run it up. Yeah. Yeah. Went from MIA to LA on the run like I don't got in the state. Yeah. I went from LA to the A on the run, you can tell where I stay at. Yeah. Counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, baby. Yeah. Counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, baby. Been 1,020, spent 100 hundreds. Money come and gone, let's get straight to it. Been a businessman, it's bigger than music. Eyes on a new building with like 8 units. What's for sale, I might buy it all. Don't wanna put in work, now you just wanna ball. Got Louis bags with no money in them. Bigger the lie, the harder they fall. Fast route, for me it's always been a cash route. Bag route, spend some money, switch a piece of cash out. Always been a stand-up guy, never back down. Curry's on my team and got some pack-outs. Went from MIA to LA on the run like I don't got in the state. Yeah, I went from LA to the A on the run, you can tell where I stay at. Yeah, counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, baby. Yeah, counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, baby. Savior of my city on the run, girl, for the money, with my bottles. And no, I'm not from LA, I'm from New York. Upstate though, and we got dough. And we don't show no mercy, run the score. Eyes on my head, so we got balls. Went from MIA to LA, on the run like I don't got an estate. Yeah, I went from LA to the A, on the run, you can tell where I stay. Yeah, counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, baby. Yeah, counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, baby. Yeah.
Oh my God! Did I just do that? Can I use my Steve Urkel voice? You know, I ain't doing that. I think I just did. I just smoked it with that one. Did y'all see that? So I missed the Dior with the terry cloth towels, luxury towels at that. They're my major expensive towels there, buddy, and all that. But anyway, I did all that, and then I mixed it with the Dior shoes. What the? I'm flabbergasted too. But if you like that, drop your boy a comment. Give your boy a like. For real. Matter of fact, give me 5 likes. Because that is something amazing. Yeah, your boy doing all that. Right here. Man. That's all I got to say. But like I said before, and I say it all the time, never stop striving. Never stop dreaming. Never stop designing. It's your boy Sauce Boss. Till the next time, I am out.